Happy Monday! We have some new things we're going to work on today. The first one is our rhyme recognition. So, what I'm going to do is say 3 words. 2 of those words rhyme, and those are the 2 you're going to repeat after I say them. For example, rub, dub, cab. And you would pick the 2 that rhyme out of those 3. So you would pick rub, dub. Okay, let's do another one together. Mud, bud, did. And you should say mud, bud. Okay, dog, fog, pig. And you would say dog, fog. So far, the first 2 are the ones that rhyme in all of these. Okay, hop, top, hip. You would say hop, top. Last one, cab, lab, cob. And you would say cab, lab. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say the word and you repeat the word and isolate the onset. Remember, that's the beginning sound. Ostrich. And you would say the sound ah. Good. Feather. F. Unicorn. U. Purple. P. Eating. E. Good. Okay, we're going to blend the body and then the coda. The coda is just the last, very last sound, okay? So for example, we're going to say lift, lift. And now you do it. You repeat after me. Lift, lift. Milk, milk. Your turn. Went, went. Lamp, lamp. Loft, loft. Okay, this is another new one. We're going to isolate the final sound. I'm going to say a sentence, and you're going to tell me the sound that is at the end of every word in the sentence. Okay, I'll do an example. Dad tried hard. If you notice, I was really saying the ending sounds very carefully. Dad tried hard. So you would say D. That's the ending sound that all of those words had. Okay, let's try a couple. Tim came home. You would say Ron can run. You would say Wes likes grapes. You would say S. Bill will tell. You would say oh. Very good. Some of these are new. It's okay if you don't get them right away. We're just going to keep practicing. Okay, we're segmenting. Get your choppers out. We're going to do the beginning sound and the rhyme, which is the rest of the word. Okay? You repeat after me. Lump, ump. Your turn. Tent, ent. Camp, camp. Send, end. Good. Okay, we're going to add an initial phoneme. That means the initial or beginning part of the word. We start with ox, add f to the beginning, and you have ox, fox. Start with eat, add at the beginning. What word? Meat. Start with ag, add b at the beginning. What word? Bag. Start with oak. Add p at the beginning. What word? Poke. Good. Now we're going to delete that initial phoneme. We have the word fix without f. What word? Ix. We have the word hope without h. What is left? Ope. We have the word dash without duh. What is left? Ash. We have the word much without What is left? Utch. We have the word bake without buh. What is left? Ache. Very good. Almost done. Next, we're substituting phonemes. That means I'm taking part away and substituting it with a different sound. We have the word van, change v to f. What word? An, fan. We have the word fan, change f to What word? Man. We have the word man, change to k. What word? Can. We have the word can, change k to p. What word? Pan. We have the word pan, change p to What word? Ran. Very good. Last part. I don't know if you remember when we did these nursery rhymes, but we're going to have those today, or this week, and we'll have a different one every day. Okay, so the first one is Little Bo Peep. You might know this. Little Bo Peep, and I'll let you repeat after me. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone, and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them.